Welcome, fam. If your hips feel stiff, your posture already fading, and your core still hasn't clocked in, this is your moment to reset. In the next 5 minutes, we're not just stretching. We're switching on the systems that hold your body together. Let's hit the mat. We start with movement because your hips don't respond to stillness. They respond to intention. This simple move is secretly powerful. It strengthens the same muscles that carry you through every step of your day. Kneel with your toes intact, knees hip-width apart. Sit your hips back towards your heels, then squeeze your glutes and drive your hips forward to return upright. Keep your core braced and chest proud. Feel that stretch across the front of your thighs. That's your hip flexors are waking up. This move also builds heat, which we'll need for what's coming. Here's a surprising fact. Hip sit-ups train both mobility and stability. Most people only train one. That's why they stay stiff. Slow it down. Hold at the top for 3 seconds. Can you feel the difference in control? This power move primes your legs for the fold we're about to drop into. That just fired up your hips. Now let's stretch those hamstrings. This one looks passive, but it reveals everything. Your flexibility, your mindset, your willingness to soften into stillness. Sit tall with both legs extended straight in front. Flex your feet, keep your spine long. Hinge from the hips, not the lower back. Reach forward with soft hands and relaxed shoulders. Can you soften your knees just a little? That allows the pelvis to tilt and deepen the stretch. Here's a surprising fact. Folding like this first thing in the morning can improve your circulation for hours afterward. Take one more breath. And on your exhale, melt 1 inch deeper. The length you're creating here will help stabilize your spine in the next move. You just opened your hamstrings. Now let's add strength to that length. This is where stretch meets strength. Because mobility without control is just chaos. On all fours, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders. Extend your right leg straight back and left arm straight forward. Keep your hips square to the ground. Brace your core and hold. Do you feel the deep shake? That's your core stabilizers firing. They don't burn, but they do protect. Can you touch elbow to knee and extend again? Slow and smooth. This balance challenge preps your brain for more dynamic movement later today. Switch sides, same focus. You'll probably feel one side is shakier. That's the side that needs this the most. As you hold, check in. Are you breathing or bracing? You need both. Can you extend a little longer this time? Bird dog has been proven to reduce lower back pain when done consistently. Your core is now fully online. Let's lengthen the torso next. This is one of the most neglected movements, yet it's essential for spine health. Stand tall, feet hip width, raise your right arm overhead, lean gently to the left, feeling the stretch from hip to rib cage. Keep both feet grounded and avoid collapsing forward. This move creates space between your ribs, your spine, and your breath. Switch sides after 30 seconds and go just 5% deeper. This space will help us stand taller in the final stretch. You just made room to breathe. Let's finish by expanding the front of your body. We carry so much attention across our chest. This stretch is like a doorway back to good posture and full energy. Clasp your hands behind your back. Roll your shoulders back and down. Gently pull the hands away as you lift your heart. Keep the chin tucked slightly to avoid neck strain. Feel that tension unravel. That's your body returning to alignment. Close your eyes and take the deepest inhale you've taken all morning. Did you know that opening the chest improves your lung capacity and can reduce mental fatigue? Yep. Can you hold this openness for 5 more seconds with a proud, lifted heart? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.